Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to sell the Worldcoin. It's quite easy to get this token sold. All you need to do is simply open up a centralized exchange. Let's say you've got your Worldcoin stored on Binance. In order to sell the Worldcoin on Binance, you're going to need an account. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify. So guys, you've got some Worldcoin on Binance. How can you sell this Worldcoin? Head to the wallets section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll from the overview to the spot or funding, depending on where your Worldcoin is stored. As you can see, I've got some Worldcoin here. So how can I sell the Worldcoin? Head to the home section where we have the convert icon. Click on convert. And it's set to spot wallet. So now instead of the big coin, simply search for the USDT. Now, if you click on max and click on preview conversion and simply click on convert, we can easily convert our Worldcoin into the USDT, hence selling it. Another option of selling your Worldcoin is open up a decentralized exchange. The decentralized exchange I'm talking about is your MetaMask. Another option of selling the Worldcoin is by using your wallets. So let's say you hold the Worldcoin on your MetaMask. All you need to do is simply click on MetaMask, where we have the Worldcoin or the World token. Where we have the Worldcoin, make sure you have some Ethereum to pay for gas fees and transactions alike. All you need to do now concerning this is head to the browser icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Please make sure you have some Ethereum for transactions. Once there, open up Uniswap. So guys, once you're on uniswap.org, simply click on the connect icon at the top right corner of the screen. So click on connect, click on the wallet connect option, click on the select wallet option and simply select MetaMask. That's if you're working with the MetaMask, click on MetaMask and your MetaMask wallet will be connected to the Uniswap platform. Click on connect once more and it's been connected. So now all you need to do is open it up and you notice that your Uniswap has been connected to the MetaMask, or your MetaMask has been connected to the Uniswap. So now your next step is where we have select tokens. Click on the select tokens option and simply search for Worldcoin. So that's WLD. So once you search for the Worldcoin, all you need to do now is click on Worldcoin, click on I understand, and simply enter an amount of Ethereum you'd like to swap for the Worldcoin. And now once you've selected the Ethereum, swap their places by clicking on the arrow. And once you've swapped their places, where we have the Worldcoin, enter the amount of Worldcoin you wish to swap into the Ethereum. So for $1,000 worth of Worldcoin, you're getting 0.49 of the Ethereum. And you're paying a gas fee of $16 for it, and you're paying a gas fee of $16 for it. So guys, that's how, and once that's done, once you've taken note of all of this, simply click on the swap option that would be shown in place of insufficient balance, and you get to swap your Worldcoin into the Ethereum. As I said before, make sure you have some Ethereum to cover the gas fees. And once you've been able to swap your Worldcoin into the Ethereum, you've successfully sold your Worldcoin. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.